about the hydrological cycle. Now we'll understand this thing with the help of a diagram. Let me see my, let me wake up my hidden Picasso. Okay, we'll do it like this and this and this and this. So this is the water, these are the trees, and that is a river, you know. This is a snow, and these are the clouds, alright, and that is our sun. Okay, a smiling sun. Now this is where the water is transferred, the groundwater, to the sea. So this is where we write as an evaporation from ocean. Right, and this is where the river comes into the picture, and this is the snow. So from here that process is basically called the percolation. Wait a second so that you won't confuse. So that's a percolation, and from here if it goes, that's called the surface runoff, right? And this is where the precipitation, means rain, occurs, precipitation on land. So the hydrological cycle is pretty much clear and simple, is that the cloud, it will precipitate, it will fill the river, and from the river it will recharge the groundwater. From the snow the percolation happens, and the percolation, the groundwater reaches to a certain level and it will transfer back to the evaporation, to the ocean, because it always reaches to the base level. If we read about the geography in that, so no matter how high the river or a place is, the water always reach to the base level. So yes, it will go to the ocean directly to here, and from here the evaporation occurs to the clouds, and the cycle will keep on moving again. So this is what the hydrological cycle means.